Turn all your videos into unstoppable traffic machines. Using our 2-in-1 traffic automation suite, instantly syndicate and rank the videos for unstoppable traffic. Submit and share your content to all the top video social sites to instantly turn your videos into viral content, getting targeted traffic from popular video sharing sites like YouTube, Vimeo and Dailymotion, and to other major social platforms like Facebook and Twitter with the push of a button. Manage all social accounts from one easy-to-use cloud platform to drive buyers to your sites and your client sites and boost your profits. Stop paying for ads. Share your videos and content on social platforms and get free viral traffic and backlinks. Attract hungry buyers. No matter what niche or market, your videos will always get top rankings on search results and video sharing sites due to the backlinks generated with the app. Maximize your sales and profits with done-for-you emails, banners, e-covers, FBADs designed to drive traffic to your websites and sell the 12 apps included with Video App Suite for max profits. Step-by-step traffic training and case studies. Copy the traffic strategies we use in our business to drive massive sales. Kickstart your business without marketing experience. We're giving you all the marketing materials, resources, tools and training you need to quickly drive traffic to your websites. Get ahead of the competition by using the marketing materials, emails, banners, e-covers, FB ads that our world-class team of designers, marketers, and copywriters put together for you. Special bonus. Agency license included $497 value. For a limited time we are including the most requested agency license to the powerful 2-in-1 traffic suite so you can drive traffic for your clients and charge them for your services. The 2-in-1 traffic automation suite empowers you to work less and earn more. This is an absolute must-have for everyone. Once the traffic starts flooding your websites and offers, the visitors will engage with your content and buy from you. We are serious about your success, so we are giving you the 2-in-1 traffic automation suite for a low one-time price. If you miss out today, you may never get a chance to see this again. Frequently asked questions. How many apps are included in the suite? You get a total of 8 fully licensed and fully functional cloud apps with either Video App Suite license. Will the apps be updated in the future? Definitely. You get all future updates for free, with no additional costs.